The email blacklist is used to block email addresses in the client so that they can no longer register or receive emails. However, you can also remove addresses from the email blacklist in justified cases as follows. Important: only remove addresses from this list for which you have clear confirmation that the address may be used again. To delete entries, go to the Addresses, Lists, and Email Blacklist section in the menu. You can use the search form to search for the desired email address or, using the advanced search, for the date or type of list entry. Once you have found the desired address, activate the checkbox and click on Delete above the list. Since the email blacklist is essentially a permanent block list, the deletion of an entry must be documented with a reason. In this dialog box, you also have the option of using the checkbox to remove any negative list entries for the email address in subclients in a one-step process. After entering the reason, click on Delete and the address will be removed from the blacklist. Deleting an address also creates a new entry in the history of removed blacklist entries. There, deletions can be easily searched for and reviewed. From now on, the address removed from the blacklist can be used again.